Did you know there are over 100 currency pairs in the Forex market? But beginners only have to focus on few. In this video, I will explain the 3 types of currency pair you need to know. Welcome back. If you are new here, I teach Forex from beginning to advance in a simple terms. Today, we are learning different types of currency pairs. What's a currency pair, if you may ask? A currency pair is simply two currencies traded against each other. The first currency is called the base currency and the second is called the quote currency. Example, when you have Euro USD, GBP, JPY. So the first is the base currency and the second one is the quote currency. So these are the 3 major types of currency pairs you should know. Number 1 is major currency pairs. What are major currency pairs? Major currency pairs, they are the most traded, high liquidated, they have lower spread, and they are best for beginners. So if you are a beginner watching this video, the best pair you should focus your attention on is the major currency pairs, and I'll be giving you example also of the major currency pair that you should be focused on. So the example of the major currency pairs are Euro USD, we have GBP USD, we have USD JPY. The second type of currency pair we have is minor currency pair. What are minor currency pairs? Minor currency pairs, there's no USD involved in minor currency pairs. You have example like Euro GBP, Euro AUD, GBP JPY. These are examples of minor currency pairs, and these pairs, they are less liquid than the major currency pairs. Their liquid is low. That's the volume of their transaction is lower than the major currency pair, which is the minor currency pair. The level of their transaction is lower than the major currency pairs, and these pairs can have slightly higher spread. Their spread are higher than the major currency pairs. So you should look for this also when you are selecting the pair. Choose the major currency pair which I have just listed for you. The third one, which is the last one, is exotic currency pair. What are exotic currency pairs? Exotic pairs, they are high volatile. They are very volatile, and this is not ideal for beginners. If you are a beginner, don't go for exotic pair. You have to go for major currency pairs. Start from major currency pairs like the Euro USD I said earlier. These exotic pairs, they have wider spreads. What are example of these exotic pairs? So we have USD TRY, USD ZAR, and we have USD MXN. So these are examples of the exotic pairs. If you are just starting Forex, focus on major currency pairs because they are easier to trade. They have lower spread, they have lower trading costs, and usually offer smoother price movements. So this is the recap to all that I have said. Today you have learned major currency pair, minor currency pair, and exotic pairs. Which one are best for beginners? If you learn something new, like this video and subscribe, because in the next lesson I will explain pips and how traders make money from price movements. So this is all for this video, and I'll see you in my next video.